Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and this video is on BIDMAS. So BIDMAS is a way that you need to work out expressions, and it says that the first thing you should pay attention to is brackets. So if you had like 4 add 2 minus 1, before you did 4 add 2, you're going to take away 1 from the 2. Indices means that you're going to listen to any powers before anything else. So if it was 4 to the power of 2, you're going to do that before you do any of the other bits of the equation. The same with divide. No matter where that is in the equation, you're going to listen to that third, so above multiply, add and subtract. Next you're going to do your multiplication in the expression. Then you're going to do your add, and then the last thing you're going to do is subtractions. So if we try to solve these using BIDMAS, we've got 12 take away 3 add 4. So the first thing we're going to do is add 3 add 4. Now 3 add 4 is going to give us 7. So we know that then what we're going to do is 12 take away 7. And 12 take away 7 is 5. If we look down here, we've got 4 add 2 times 6. So the first thing we're going to do is do 2 times 6, which is going to give us 12. So we're going to get 4 add 12, which is going to give us 16. Now it's important to do this because if we didn't listen to our BIDMAS laws and did 4 add 2 first, that's going to give us 6, and then 6 times 6 is going to give us 36, which is way off the answer we're looking for. So here we have some more examples, and number 3 says 4 add 6 divide by 2. Now BIDMAS says we've got BIDMAS. So our add here is going to be our A, and our divide here is D. We need to think which one comes first, and that's going to be D. So we're going to do 6 divide by 2 first, which is going to give us 3. Then we're going to add our 4. And 4 add 3 is equal to 7. Now down here we're going to do exactly the same. So we need to think about our BIDMAS. So 4 times 2 is a multiplication. So we're going to put M above here. 4 times 2 add 9 minus 1. That's an add. So we're going to put an A here. And 9 minus 1. Now that would be a subtraction. But because it's in brackets, that bumps it right the way to the top in B. So the first one we're going to do is 9 minus 1, because that's a B, so that's right at the top. So 9 minus 1 is going to give us 8. Now we need to see which one comes high between our M and our A, and that's our M. So the next thing we're going to do is times 4 by 2, which is going to give us another 8. And our last step is our add, because it's the lowest down in our rankings of BIDMAS. And 8 add 8, that's going to give us 16. Thank you all for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below any videos that you think I can make which would help you guys out. Also be sure to check out my social medias, which are in the description box below.